today's video, I'm going to show you how to speed up Udemy videos so you can move through your courses faster and learn at the pace that works best for you. Start by opening your preferred browser and searching for Udemy. Once you're on the home page, log into your account using your email and password, or sign in through single sign-on if your organization supports it. After logging in, head to your course library and open the course you want to watch. Select the lecture you are currently working on and let the video player load. At the bottom of the player, you will see the Playback Speed option, which usually shows the default setting marked as X1. Click on this option and a small menu will appear with different speed choices. You can switch to 1.5 times faster or even double the speed if you prefer. Choose whichever feels comfortable while still allowing you to understand the content clearly. This feature is especially handy when you're reviewing familiar material or watching sections that are easier to follow. You can always switch back to normal speed whenever you need more clarity, and that's all you need to do. With just a quick adjustment, you can control your learning pace and finish your courses more efficiently. Thanks for watching and happy learning!